Outfit of the day. I'm making a shake. It's been a while. We're here. That was amazing. Look who's up. Come here, baby. She doesn't know I'm here. Good morning. It is 6:30. Going to yet another burn location. So this morning's burn, one of the people from my gym opened their own burn. So like the owner is a former member, the head trainer is a former member, some of our members transferred there if it was like closer for them. So that's where I'm going today because our gym unfortunately is not opening yet. Got my ring and Fitbit on their chargers for now. Ultra human sleep score was 82. So not that great, sadly. If you're thinking about an ultra human ring, while you're watching this, it's gonna be Prime Day and they're doing a special. So I guess like keep in mind that they offer specials every so often, but I have a code if you don't want to wait. Jess Kaplan 10. You get 10% off, and it ships really fast. Misty ordered one, so you get the sizing kit, so you make sure you get the right size. And Misty ordered one, and she said it came really fast. I'm gonna just do a body shower because after the gym, I'm not coming straight home. So I at least want to be clean before the gym. I know that might not make any sense, but it makes sense for me. Outfit of the day, we have core and cardio. So I'm wearing Booty by Brabands because that's one of my go-tos for cardio. I just feel like it stays in place. I wear the Croco. It's higher waisted than the original. So Croco is my go-to. I just love it. I love this pink, you know, I'm a pink girl. Here's the full look. I like that this is like kind of like see-through, so you can still see the pink underneath. And then there's like a little twisty. Baby's eating. She forgot how to eat and spilled her food all over the place, but you know, no big deal. I'm making a shake. It's been a while with collagen, cookies and cream, Fairlife, the whole 9 yards. Pre-workout today is this early bird morning cocktail because I'm out of my burn stuff. And then of course some creatine, which I'm also getting low on, so they better hurry up and open. Rice cake moment. We're here. Okay, but it's so cute. Look at that Inspire, Empower, Transform. That's adorable. Okay, so I'm at yet another burn boot camp location. I'm really excited. It's gonna be so fun. I made it in really good time too because I was really nervous. There was a lot of traffic. It was like 40 minutes, but it's 8:18 and it's at 8:30, so this is perfect. Okay, that was amazing. Best workout I've had in like weeks since I've been to my normal burn, which I don't even know when that was at this point. That was incredible. The energy was amazing. The workout was amazing. The trainer was amazing. Everybody was amazing. I don't know if I can say amazing enough because I really enjoyed that experience. It was really fun training. Her name is Belle, and she was just like a total beast when she was a member. Like, she's so strong, so amazing, and as a trainer she was incredible. She did such a good job training. I had never trained with her because she became a trainer to like open up here. So that was so fun, and I saw a bunch of our old members that I hadn't seen in forever, just kind of like caught up. The desk person was one of our new people, and it was just such a good workout. It was core and cardio, which is literally one of my favorite workouts for a long time. I loved core and cardio like when we first opened and I first started doing burn, and then I started having back pain, and so I didn't like it. I didn't like cardio, and I didn't really like the core days. But now I'm back. Like, I do sometimes have certain aches and pains, but I know how to modify for myself, and I pay attention to my body. And like, it's not that I didn't pay attention to my body, but it just kind of like happened, and I like wasn't realizing it at the time. But that was incredible. It's very hot in my car though, because I don't have it on, because I didn't want to have the air blasting and making noise. So I am headed to the beach now. I'm so happy. I would like a Dunkin' coffee. I don't know if there's one in my immediate vicinity, so you may or may not see that happening, but I'm going to turn on my car and figure that out and head to the beach. And then I'm going to see my parents hopefully after that. I totally forgot my flip-flops, and I thought I had some in my car, but my back thingy, sometimes my back won't open, my like trunk. Something's wrong with the latch, and I thought about getting it fixed, but they were going to charge me just to look at it, and couldn't tell me if my warranty was going to cover it or not, so I didn't really want to pay the $200 just to have them assess it if it wasn't going to be covered. But yeah, so I couldn't find my flip-flops. I don't think they were in there. I tried my best to dig around, but that's fine. So there's my sneakers. Holly got a bath and she's being dogatonic. I am also being a little dogatonic. I did make these s'more things. One I put chocolate on, the other I didn't. I used Cool Whip and protein powder. Okay, it's actually kind of good. Kind of getting crumbs everywhere, but I used the birthday cake 1-Up protein, and it does taste kind of marshmallowy, so it's kind of good.